Pwede ba please everybody sit down because we're going to be giving you food. So we ask everybody to please sit down so you get your food. I think everybody must be hungry by this time. Okay? Thank you so much.
Yes, to come over. Ito yung upuan ng mga judges. We would like to let you know na every year meron po kami tinatawag na international costume. And ang first prize po rito ay $100. And then the second prize is $50. And then the third prize is $30. Nagtatanong ako sa inyo, kasi ang dami nagsasabi bakit daw yung mga officers at saka yung mga FYSS directors hindi ko kasama. Talagang hindi ko kasama dahil baka kala nila lutong Macau. Pero may tatanungin ako sa inyo, ito bang outfit ko palagay ninyo anong costume mo ito? Hawaiian? Mali yata yung Hawaiian kasi kaya lang meron akong flower Ano?
International.
Alam nyo, yung tango na yun, mga kaibigan ko, alam nyo na, 1940s Oh. Talagang mga kaibigan, alam na alam. Anyway, bago tayo magsimula, meron kami mga rules. Kaya ito, ganito ang gagawin natin. Yun ang mga contestants natin, tatayo muna dyan. And then, we're going to have 5 judges. At meron silang tinatawag na criteria. It's about authenticity. Pagkatapos meron tinatawag na nasan ba yung body ko? Meron ng authenticity, tapos meron ng tinatawag na historic accuracy, aesthetic value, and creativity. Kaya kung meron tinatawag na perfect points, yun yung tinatawag na 40 kasi each criteria is 10 points. Kaya ngayon I really would like to request the judges to come here. Ito ay mga active members ng different organizations. Hindi ko sila kilala ng mga ibang contestants natin. Para raw sabi nga nila, walang lutong Macau at saka walang favoritism. To start with, we're going to have Mr. Antonio Macarae, a former teacher and now a retired federal government employee. Let's give him a big welcome. Mr. Macarae, siya ay very, very active dito sa Forever Young. Mrs. Bagsapra, dito ko kayo. And of course, meron po tayong tinatawag na chair dahil sa mga judges panel natin. A noted architect from the Philippines. Let us welcome Mr. Lori Bola. They will be judged according to their numbers. And then the third, they have to go around the hall twice. Pagkatapos nun, yung ating judges, meron sila tinatawag na elimination. If we have like 12 participants, magiging 5 po doon. Yung 5 na yun, doon nila pipiliin ang first, second, and third. Okay, contestants, let's start. Number 1!